Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as Agent Lady, and today we have Jeremy Bowers, old office manager. Jeremy is now flipping houses and doing really, really well, and we're going to talk to first-time home flippers or whatever. So Jeremy, take it away.
So the first thing we're going to talk about is benefits. What's the benefits of either flipping houses? And we're not talking about anything in rentals, just flippers, right?
Yeah.
So the benefits of flippers, what we're going to talk about, benefits of flips. Number one is obviously the cash flow. Right. Number two is the excitement. Human beings love seeing things going from A to B. It's like a dirty car to a clean car.
Right.
New floors to old floors. So the flipping process allows you to see that difference.
Right.
The other benefit to it is you actually can build another stream of income and have your current job.
Gotcha.
So you've been in the game for a while. Do you see some of your flippers actually have another job and flip houses?
Yeah, absolutely. It depends on how hands-on. Maybe they're just doing cash or actually hands-on, like project managing and all that stuff.
So I'll give you a real quick example because we don't have too much time today. We want to make it quick for you and powerful. So here's the thing. If you want to buy a house, I'll give you an example. If you buy a house in the city for $100,000, most likely it's going to cost you $85,000 to $100,000 to rehab that house. Full gut, 1,000 square foot house is going to cost you about $85 a square foot. If you do that, you should be at least getting a 30% return on your money. So in that case, that house is going to be at least worth about $275. You have to pay the realtor. You won't get your money out. You're going to make $60,000, and then you're going to pay your taxes on that. So depending on your tax bracket. If you actually sell it before, you're going to pay a higher tax bracket than you will if you wait a year. So in that $60,000, you'll be paying your taxes on that. So if you're in a 30% tax bracket, you're going to pay $18,000 on that. You're going to net $42,000. That $42,000 you'll typically make over 8 months.
That's not bad.
Not bad, right?
Not bad at all. So, okay, that all sounds great. But what are the pitfalls in flipping houses?
Definitely the pitfalls is, a couple of things you want to avoid is number one, partnering up a person that maybe doesn't have the money. I did this one time.
Okay.
Partner up with a GC that said, hey Jeremy, I can find a flip and we'll rehab it, I'll do it at cost. Anybody doing it at cost typically will not benefit because they have a big heart. You don't have a big heart.
Right.
If they're not making money, it's just not worth it.
Right.
And in that case, we lost $17,000. It's the only flip I ever lost money on.
Wow.
I lost money on a beach house, but all my other flips have made money.
Gotcha.
So definitely a pitfall number one is make sure there's skin in the game and they're making profit. Don't let anybody work for free.
Gotcha.
Tip number two is where's your money source? My best money source many times, Sharice, is small banks.
Okay.
Yeah. I have a line at WSFS, depends on who you're talking to, but they're typically 4.5% rate, 1 point, and they'll give you 20% down. You have to put 20% down of the purchase,
Okay.
20% down of the flip money.
Okay.
And for example, a lot of times I can do it for about $45,000 and I can make about $75,000 to $95,000 on that 45 grand, pretty good.
Not bad.
Or you can be a knucklehead like Jeremy sometimes and go find someone that has money and put all cash down.
Okay.
Cash on cash works great, but you gotta get out the projects in time for that person to be done. Normal flips 6-7 months, right?
Right. Absolutely.
So cash on cash, you gotta make sure that person, if you're splitting it with them, Sharice, if you have a partner, have at least 30% profit because you got to at least make your 15. You're gonna get taxed. You're maybe make 9%, right?
Right.
So the pitfalls is make sure when you structure that money, it makes sense for both parties. And there's an out. That's the biggest thing I've noticed. Right now, the market could be turning in certain markets
Right.
it's not. I'm feeling it right now. I just sold a house, felt it a little bit, made profit, not as much as I want. But the pitfall is I need to have it structured in place that I can rent it if it can't flip.
Right. Exactly.
So I would say those are the pitfalls right now I'm seeing.
Okay.
What are you seeing in the market right now?
I mean, the market it's interesting. There's still not a lot of houses on the market for sale, but the prices aren't still, super high either. They're starting to come down a little bit.
If you're
Depending on the neighborhood too.
and it just makes definitely, I see it in the neighborhood. I have houses sell some days in 2 and others are 90 days, right?
Right.
I would say the number one way on the benefits, kind of leads in the benefits of flipping houses is you got to find a good person like Sharice or someone that really knows how to renovate a house or understands the cost, because your average realtor does not know this. This is very unique. I manage a lot of people, recruited and coach a lot of people. Most people don't understand how to find them. So my number one tip I'd tell you today on first-time flippers is find and identify a person like Sharice or someone else who understands how to find it and go for it. And that's how you actually can make wealth in flipping houses.
That's pretty awesome. So how do people find you? What if they wanted to partner with you and do some deals?
So if you need cash, I have cash right now to lend. If you're looking to partner up, I have that too. And if you're looking for properties and you want us to help you, we can do that as long as Sharice is involved with it. We do it together with the realtors, how I like to do it, because we can't do everything. It's 215-370-9107, and you can give me a ring. The one investment company is called TCS Investments. I got a couple of different ones, but just 215-370-9107, or on Facebook, Jeremy Bowers. I appreciate you guys watching today.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. All right, guys. Remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make a great day, guys.